Hello everybody, welcome back to another video on our channel, How to Log In. Today I'm going to show you how you can log in to your Binance account. Binance is a cryptocurrency exchange which is the largest exchange in the world in terms of daily volume. From Binance, you will be able to buy, sell and store cryptocurrencies. To log into your account, firstly open up a browser, then in the search bar type in binance.com. From here, to log into your account, click on the login option located on the top of the screen. Now you can either choose to log in with your email address or your phone number. Use the appropriate method that you used while you created an account for Binance. If you used your email address while you created your account, then go ahead and type in your email address. Then type in your password. If you created your account using your Google account or your Apple ID, then you can go ahead and choose either one. Then you will be quickly logged into your account. If you don't remember the password to your account, then you can click on the forgot password option and then retrieve your password. Now after you enter the information, you can go ahead and click on login. And from there you will be logged into your Binance account. I hope you guys liked this video and found this video to be helpful. If you found this video to be informative, do consider subscribing to our channel and turn on the notifications so you don't miss videos similar to this. That's all for this video, and I'll see you in the next.